There's something primal about cooking a whole fish. We're hardwired to appreciate this simple act. It's to the source of our food. Grilling a whole fish intensifies the experience. The open flame, the sizzling skin, the tantalizing aroma. It's a feast for the senses. This isn't slowing down, appreciating the process and savoring the flavors. So fire up the grill and get ready for a culinary adventure. Grilling fish over an open fire is as old as cooking itself. Imagine the scene, a group of early humans huddled around a crackling fire, the aroma of freshly caught fish wafting through the air. This simple act of cooking not only provided sustenance, but also brought communities together, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. Think back to our earliest ancestors. They were not just surviving, they were innovating. The discovery of fire was a monumental leap for humankind, and with it came the art of cooking. Grilling fish over an open flame was one of the earliest culinary techniques, a method that transformed raw ingredients into something more flavorful and digestible. They discovered the magic of cooking freshly caught fish over burning wood. This method not only enhanced the flavor, but also made the fish safer to eat by killing harmful bacteria. It was a practice born out of necessity, but perfected through generations of trial and error. This technique has transcended time and cultures. Across the globe, from ancient civilizations to modern societies, grilling fish has remained a beloved tradition. Each culture has embraced and adapted this method, adding their unique flavors and techniques to create a rich tapestry of culinary heritage. From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean to the bustling markets of Southeast Asia, grilling whole fish is a universal language. In the Mediterranean, the practice of grilling fish is often a communal event, with families and friends gathering to enjoy the bounty of the sea. In Southeast Asia, the vibrant street markets are filled with the enticing aroma of fish being grilled to perfection, a testament to the region's rich culinary traditions. Each culture adds its unique twist. The ingredients and techniques may vary, but the essence of grilling fish remains the same. It's about celebrating the natural flavors of the fish, enhanced by the smoky aroma of the grill. This method of cooking is not just about nourishment. It's about creating an experience, a moment to be savored and remembered. The Greeks favor olive oil, lemon, and oregano. This combination of ingredients highlights the fresh, clean flavors of the fish, while the olive oil adds a rich, buttery texture. The lemon provides a bright, tangy contrast, and the oregano brings a hint of earthiness, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. The Japanese opt for a minimalist approach with just salt and a touch of soy sauce. This method allows the natural taste of the fish to shine through, unadulterated by heavy seasonings. The salt enhances the fish's inherent sweetness, while the soy sauce adds a subtle umami depth, resulting in a dish that is both simple and sophisticated. These traditions are a testament to the timeless appeal of this simple yet profound cooking method. Grilling fish over an open flame is more than just a way to prepare food. It's a ritual that connects us to our past, a culinary thread that weaves through the fabric of human history. Whether in a bustling city or a quiet village, the act of grilling fish brings people together, creating moments of joy and connection that transcend time and place. Choosing to grill a whole fish isn't just a delicious decision, it's a healthy and sustainable one. Fish is packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. Grilling helps retain these nutrients while adding a unique smoky flavor. It's a cooking method that enhances both taste and health. From an environmental standpoint, opting for whole fish can be a more sustainable choice. It often means supporting smaller-scale fisheries and reducing waste. So you're not only nourishing your body, but also making a conscious choice for the planet. One of the most exciting aspects of whole fish grilling is the sheer variety. From delicate trout to meaty tuna, the options are endless. Each fish offers a unique flavor profile. Lean white fish like cod and halibut take well to delicate herbs and citrus. Oily fish like salmon and mackerel shine with bolder flavors like garlic, ginger, and chili. Don't be afraid to experiment. Explore different marinades, rubs, and sauces. Let your taste buds be your guide. The beauty of whole fish grilling lies in its simplicity and versatility. Section 5, Tools of the Trade, Gearing Up for Grilling. You don't need a fancy kitchen to grill a whole fish. A few essential tools are all it takes to get started. First and foremost, you need a good grill. Charcoal grills impart a smoky flavor, while gas grills offer convenience and control. A sturdy pair of tongs and a fish spatula are essential for handling the fish on the grill. A grill brush helps keep your grates clean. Finally, invest in a good instant read thermometer. This ensures your fish is cooked to perfection every time. Section 6. Mastering the fish prepping your catch. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to prepare your freshly caught fish for grilling. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, these tips will ensure your fish is perfectly prepped and ready to cook. Prepping a whole fish for grilling is easier than you might think. With a few simple steps, you can transform your catch into a delicious meal that will impress your family and friends. Start by rinsing the fish thoroughly, inside and out. This step is crucial to remove any residual scales, blood, or impurities that might affect the taste of your fish. Make sure to use cold water and gently rub the fish to ensure it's clean. Pad it dry with paper towels. Drying the fish is important because it helps achieve a nice, crispy skin when grilling. Excess moisture can cause the fish to steam rather than sear, so take your time to ensure it's thoroughly dry. Next, use a sharp knife to score the skin on both sides. Scoring the skin not only helps the heat penetrate evenly, but also prevents the fish from curling up on the grill. Make shallow cuts about an inch apart, being careful not to cut too deep into the flesh. This helps the heat penetrate evenly and prevents the fish from curling up on the grill. Even heat distribution is key to cooking the fish evenly, ensuring that the inside is cooked through while the outside remains crispy and flavorful. Stuff the cavity with aromatics like lemon slices. Lemons add a fresh, zesty flavor that complements the natural taste of the fish. You can also experiment with other citrus fruits like oranges or limes for a different flavor profile. Herbs and garlic cloves. Fresh herbs like parsley, dill and thyme work wonderfully to infuse the fish with aromatic flavors. Garlic adds a rich, savory note that enhances the overall taste. Feel free to mix and match herbs to suit your preference. This infuses the fish with flavor from the inside out. As the fish cooks, the heat will release the essential oils and juices from the aromatics, permeating the flesh and creating a deliciously fragrant and flavorful dish. Finally, lightly coat the fish with oil and season generously with salt and pepper. The oil helps to prevent the fish from sticking to the grill and adds a layer of flavor. Seasoning with salt and pepper enhances the natural taste of the fish, making it even more delicious. Now it's ready for the grill. With these simple steps, your fish is perfectly prepped and ready to be cooked to perfection. Enjoy the process and savor the delicious results of your hard work. Section 7. Kiss of Fire Grilling Techniques. Grilling a whole fish requires a bit of finesse, but it's not complicated. The process begins with selecting the right fish. Opt for a fish that is firm and fresh, such as sea bass, snapper, or trout. These types of fish hold up well on the grill and have a delicious flavor that is enhanced by the grilling process. The key is to cook it over medium heat, turning it only once to ensure crispy skin and juicy flesh. This helps to lock in the moisture and flavor, giving you a perfectly grilled fish every time. Start by preheating your grill to medium heat. This step is crucial as it ensures that the fish cooks evenly. A well-heated grill also helps to create those beautiful grill marks that are the hallmark of expertly grilled fish. Oil the grates to prevent sticking. Use a high smoke point oil like canola or grapeseed oil. This not only prevents the fish from sticking, but also adds a subtle flavor to the fish. Carefully place the fish on the grill, perpendicular to the grates. This positioning helps to achieve those perfect grill marks and ensures even cooking. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until the skin is crispy and the flesh is opaque. The exact time can vary depending on the thickness of the fish, so keep an eye on it. Use a spatula to gently lift the fish. A fish spatula, which is thin and flexible, works best for this task. If it sticks, it's not ready to be flipped. Patience is key. Wait a little longer and try again. The fish will release from the grill when it's ready, ensuring you don't tear the delicate flesh. Once the fish is perfectly grilled, serve it immediately. Garnish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of olive oil to enhance the flavors. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly grilled fish. Section 8. A feast for the senses, serving and enjoying. Once your fish is grilled to perfection, it's time to present your masterpiece. Carefully transfer the fish to a serving platter. Garnish with fresh herbs, lemon wedges, or a drizzle of olive oil. The presentation should be as simple and elegant as the dish itself. Serve your grilled fish with your favorite sides. Roasted vegetables, grilled corn on the cob, and a crusty loaf of bread are all excellent choices. Remember, eating with your eyes is half the fun. Section 9. Dive in. Embracing the art of whole fish grilling. Grilling a whole fish is more than just a recipe, it's an experience. It's about connecting with your food, mastering a timeless technique, and creating something truly special. Don't be intimidated, embrace the process, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the journey. So fire up the grill, grab some fresh fish, and dive into the wonderful world of whole fish grilling.